Hi, it's Amy with Mama Bear Blue. Thanks for joining me today on the DIY-aGoGo network. Today I have a quick fun craft for you using Dollar Tree Jenga blocks, DIY paint, Iron Orchid Design stamps and transfers. Let's get started. I found this tumbling tower block game at the Dollar Tree in the toy section. There are 36 blocks in a box, and each coaster takes 12 blocks. I use Tight Bond Quick and Thick for the glue, and I arranged the blocks in a couple different patterns until I found the one that I liked. As long as it's in a perfect square, it doesn't matter, but I ended up using an offset pattern that I liked. If you have some glue residue that's popped up between the seams, just use some fine grit sandpaper and sand it off. So now that we have our coasters assembled, they've dried for about an hour, we're going to mix up our DIY paint wash, about 3 parts paint to 1 part water, and brush it on and wipe it off. After your coasters have dried, it's time to start stamping. I chose a variety of stamps, including rose toile. Is that how you pronounce that? Hey Siri, how do you pronounce the word T-O-I-L-E?
Toile.
Toile. So I chose a variety of stamps: Rose Toile, Kindest Regards, Queen Bee. You also want to pick out some scraps from some transfers. This is a great way to use up all those little pieces that you've saved from all your little projects. After you apply a transfer, be sure to use a soft cloth or the plastic backing that the transfer came on to rub the transfer. This process is called burnishing, and it helps the transfer adhere to the project.
So our last step will be to seal these with DIY Paint's Big Top.
Since these are coasters and they will have drink glasses sitting on them, I put 3 coats of Big Top on, letting it dry between coats.
I also bought these little cork rounds to go onto the bottom of the coaster, one on each corner. This was a super fun craft to do. I actually did this on a live with my nieces. You can catch that on the Mama Bear Blue Facebook page. I go live every Monday at 9 a.m. with my mom for Mondays with Mom. Hope you can join us there. For any of the products used in today's video, the DIY Paint, the Iron Orchid Designs products, you can visit your local stockist or my website, mamabearblue.com. Thank you to the DIY-aGoGo network for letting me contribute this video today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, which is found in the description box below. Thanks for watching.